Got a 7-bar hook, but I love those winter days. Okay guys, like I was saying, the boat's swung around. Oh yeah, straight line rods working a treat now. There you go. Yep. Oh, another nice fish for the bin. Yeah. Pretty much in midwinter, so the fishing starts getting pretty hard this time of year. But I thought I'd come out and see if I can pick up a winter feed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the Ocean Assassin flasher rig. I've got the pink pearl. Oh, there you go. First little snap. Not bad. Oh, yep. Rod holders in. Yeah, just what I needed. Rod holders added again. Only just put it down. Oh, and this time, gurnard. Oh, here we go again. There you go, another one for the rod holder. What's going on with this? This time of year we do get plagued a little by Kahawai. Okay guys, I'm hooked up on my strayline at last. That's what we're here for. Nice solid snapper. It's probably getting close to that 60 centimeters. Okay guys, like I was saying, the boat's swung around. The boat has swung around. Like I was saying, it starts filling up this little basin at the back here. And the boat swings around, goes the opposite way of the tide. And fish just turn up in big numbers. I think this one's just a Kahawai. But yeah, the tide's still going out. But for some reason it's really weird. I think there's a channel that runs in from that top end, and for some reason the water circulates around. So instead of facing down that way, tide comes down this way and swings us around, and it's really weird. As we swing round, the fish just really come on the bite. And I think they're just swimming down this little channel with that tide coming across my bait, but it's like a little, like I was saying, a little basin fills up the back here, and it just gets crazy. I'm actually starting to find it hard to fish with the two rods. Can't actually get my my dropper rig down. Pretty much got to let it hit the water, put it into gear, and then just let it sink down to be able to get this rod in. There we go, it's just straight away. That's the trouble. When the Kahawai turn up, they turn up. Another big boy. He swallowed it, so I'll probably keep him. With a smoker. Gotta love those winter days when you can actually get onto the snaps. Swimming for the boat. Get some nice fish here sometimes. Not big, but a nice fish. Close to 50 centimeters, that boy, I would say. There you go. Another nice fish for the bin. Just got my standard rig. Got a 7-bar hook, a little bead, got a 1 ounce ball sinker, good old straylining rig. But yeah, got a heap of snapper turned up. That berley's really pumping. Actually didn't put it in a onion sack, I just put it in the big black berley bag. The chunks come out a little bit better. Was frozen, so it'll stay there for a little while. Probably only need it to kick for about an hour and a half. Once these snaps turn up, catch a few snaps for the bin, and then might go hunt down some gurnard. Might even try for a trevally. Got a spot out in the middle here for trevally. But yeah, the old straight line rods working a treat now. Something's having a little play. Yep. Yeah. Hooked in. That's why I love this little Avenger. It's only a 4,000 size. It just shows you don't need to fish those real big heavy gear. Can get, oh no, he's just swimming at the boat again. Turned and ran at the boat. But yeah, I do have heavy gear when you're sort of fishing in those, probably more those reedy, reefy and rock areas. You need a lock and load. On the sand it's not too bad, but I still strayline with this in the weed. Just fishing those smaller bait, smaller combos is a lot more fun. It's only a little 4,000, like I was saying. This is a 6 to 10 soft bait rod, and it's the X Factor rod, so it's got a bit of carbon and glass, so e-glass. Very nice rods, X Factor rods. There you go, how's that? Solid fish. He's not a bad fish. He's getting close to that 50 centimeters. But yeah, those X Factor rods, just, you can't really get anything better for the money. Being e-glass, you can just hammer them hard. They're just such a robust rod. The old X Factors, and I've got the old model 6 to 10 soft bait 7-footer, and what they've done is they've gone to the normal EVAs, same blank, so don't panic, it is the same rod, same blank, but just they've changed those grips to EVA. But yeah, it's another nice fish for the bin, doing well. Well, getting hammered now. That burley's well and truly kicking in. Like I was saying, I haven't put it in that real fine mesh onion set because I'm probably only going to be here for a couple of hours. I want to move off and try and hunt down some carrots. But it sends out those bigger chunks, gets those bigger fish all excited. Not doing too badly. Yeah. Another nice little snap. Hopefully he hasn't swallowed it and I can maybe let him go. Be nice. It's quite nice picking and choosing those fish you want to keep. It's not a bad fish. Might actually net him so he doesn't swim off with the hook. Oh, another solid fish, guys. Probably up around 55, 60. Some good fish in there. Go. See if we can get him back. Oh yeah, he's gonna go back nicely. We're only in 4 meters, being low tide now. There you go. Nice fish released. The old rod holder's hooked up. Another nice winter snap. A little bit smaller, which is good. Smaller being still probably 45. Hooked up. The old strayline rig has really come on. Not much is happening with my dropper, but the fish have thinned out. It's pretty much dead low, I'd say. And I was just dropping that down for chance of gurnard. Another snap. Another nice fish. Cool thing is, he's hooked in the corner of the mouth. Oh. There you go. So we'll be able to let him go. He was just hooked in the corner of the mouth. And he'll swim away happily. Just like that. There you go, another nice snap released. He was probably close to 50 centimetres. Let's get another bait out. Oh yeah, boy. I've got one on this rod. It's getting a bit hectic. Gone to some fresh Kahawai bait. I think I've actually got a gurnard on this one. We're getting close to that slack tide. And I actually love fishing that slack tide for gurnard. There's like another nice snap. I've only been here for about an hour and a half, mucking around a little bit. Missed a few fish mucking around, but that's all good. Couple of nice head shakes. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. Bit hard when you're on the solo. Gorgeous fish, guys. Gotta love this time of year. You really do. There you go, how's that? Another nice 50. Keep him because he swallowed it. That gives me about 5 snaps, which is plenty. I think what we'll do is we'll move off and go chase some carrots. Here we go. Couple of noisies.